Hey folks, I wanted to take a second and go over a few things with you. Coming up this week, we've got a couple things going on. I need you to sign up for your midterm. We're starting to get into word problems. I want to show you where your practice midterm is, and also where you can print the formula sheet. So if you didn't know, next week we're going to be taking a midterm. You need to take this midterm in person. So what I need you to do is I need you to sign up for a time and let me know when you will be taking this. How you do that is you're going to go to our course. Here it is right here. If you look, this happens sometimes. It took me directly to week 3 because I was working in week 3, checking over it, making sure everything looked good this week. I want to get back to the main folder. To get back to the main course with all the different weeks, you want to go ahead and click this topics list button. When you click topics list, you see that's going to bring us back to this main page that has all the weeks in it right here. So first thing I wanted to bring to your attention is this Moodle choice right here. It says please click here to select where and when you will be taking your midterm. Because as you can see when you go to this, I have a menu of different choices for you to pick. We have Tuesday, November 12th in Newark, Wednesday, November 13th in Newark, Thursday, November 14th in Pataskala. We have November 13th in Knox, November 12th in Coshocton. Or you can select none of these work for me, so I'm going to email you and set up a time. If none of these work for me, you need to let me know right away. It's possible for you to take it at either the testing center here in Newark. That's open from pretty much from 9 to 4 Monday through Thursday. But if you're trying to take it at a different time on one of the branch campuses, you're going to need to talk to whoever's in charge of testing out there and schedule a time. There's not necessarily a testing center out there, but there's somebody out there who will help you proctor an exam. But you got to make an appointment with them, and it's got to be pretty much between 9 and 4. You can't take the exam any later than Friday the 15th. So by next Friday, you need to take this first midterm. So all you need to do is you need to just click on whichever one works for you, okay? And then just go ahead and hit Save My Choice, and then I'll be able to see a list of the people who have signed up. As you can see, you don't see this, but right now I've got 10 responses. So 10 of you have signed up. Thank you very much for doing that. There's a lot more than 10 people in this class, though, so I need some people to sign up this week. You need to be signed up by this Friday, okay? All right. The second thing I wanted to let you know when we go back to our course, where is the practice midterm? First of all, the midterm is going to be covering weeks 1 and weeks 2, and then I'm just going to be going through distance problems. Distance problems, so week 1, 2, and 3 is what your midterm covers. If you see right here, here's the checkpoint down here, and in here you have a practice midterm. Again, I have another video that explains how to use Moodle choices, but here's the practice midterm. When you click on that, it's going to open this PDF. Here's the practice midterm. I really suggest that you guys print this out and take it like a test. If you're using your notes for this and you're looking at your notes and checking back, that might help you get this stuff, but you're not going to be able to use your notes for the midterm, so you need to try to do this as much as possible without. One thing that is true about this sheet that is not true about the midterm, on the midterm I give you the grids for the word problems. So if you are used to using those tables for the word problems, that's there. I haven't posted a midterm answer key yet. I will get that up here in the next hour or so. So underneath this practice midterm, soon you'll see a midterm key show up. Last thing is you have a formula sheet that you're allowed to use when you go here. You can print this out. Here is the formula sheet that has some of the formulas. And then it's got this space below where you can write anything you want inside this box. Nothing can be written outside the box. Nothing can be written on the back side of this sheet. You are responsible for printing this out. The stuff you need to bring with you to your midterm is an ID so we can make sure it's you. This formula sheet with whatever you want written in that box, and you need to have a pencil and a calculator, of course, as well. So again, make sure you have your ID, and if you're going to use the formula sheet, I highly recommend it. It gives you space to write some examples or what else you need. All the person who's proctoring your midterm is going to check is they're going to check to make sure everything's just written inside this box and to make sure that your ID matches your name on the sign-up sheet. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Study hard this week. Start working on this stuff. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm on the Newark campus 5 days a week. I live in Columbus. I pass by the Pataskala campus. I can meet you out there if you need. I am available to you. If you want me to make a video because you don't understand a problem, I can do that too. You just need to contact me and let me know. Please don't wait till next week to start studying. Start preparing for this stuff now. Good luck with everything, and let me know if there's anything else I can do.